For those who have been paying attention to the news and other related stories, there have been talks about a recent labor shortage crisis. The Great Rising in 1381 and the severe labor shortages experienced during World War II are just two examples of how frequently this crisis has occurred throughout history. Elon Musk revealed plans for TeslaBot, a humanoid robot with artificial intelligence with the purpose of completing a number of repetitive tasks in 2021 at the Tesla AI Day event. Tesla's CEO didn't make any time commitment as to when this product would be fully available, but he said that he believes it can solve the labor shortage issue. In today's video, we'll discuss why Tesla can solve the labor shortage crisis. What's happening there, and welcome to El Tesla Space. Here, we cover everything you need to know about Tesla. So if you've been curious about the question of Tesla and its technology for a while, then we've got you covered. Let's go to the video for today. There are a number of potential causes for the current labor crisis, and one of them is the shifting economic forces. Yes, the COVID-19 pandemic's effects on the economy and society have not yet returned to normal, and one of these effects is the current labor shortage crisis and high unemployment rates. Brookings Metro published a study on the impact of extended COVID on the labor market early last year. The analysis evaluated that COVID might have contributed 15% to the labor shortage. Several people had to reevaluate their work environments, processes, and motivations as a result of the pandemic. Some workers opted for an early retirement, while others stayed at home to care for children and the elderly, while others made the decision to launch their own business or work as contractors. Other factors included aging workforce, a declining birth rate, health concerns, a decline in blue-collar employment, immigration restrictions, people who are self-employed leaving their regular jobs, and a rise in the demand for information technology services. Well, there are more intriguing aspects to labor shortages. Some jobs are more challenging to fill than others, and some industries have more difficulty than others with both hiring and retaining employees. Employers often find it difficult to fill open positions with qualified candidates when there's a labor shortage. The roles they're hiring for don't have enough applicants, and the few who are available are difficult to come by. Within the context of the current labor shortage, Elon Musk said the TeslaBot could be a solution. Musk went into detail about the main goal of the TeslaBot at the Wall Street Journal Summit, and he had this to say. The TeslaBot has the potential to eventually replace all forms of human labor. Labor is the basis of the economy. The essence of capital equipment is labor. The main restriction is labor. Not enough people are present. This must be emphasized again. Not enough people are present. In my opinion, the low birth rate and the steadily dropping birth rate pose one of the biggest hazards to civilization. Yes, a lot of individuals, even intelligent people, believe that there are too many people in the world. I believe that we're developing the most cutting-edge practical AI for navigating the actual world with the autopilot and full self-driving, and you may think of Tesla as the largest robot company in the world or the largest semi-sentient robot company. The vehicle resembles a four-wheeled robot. It's likely that we could create a functional humanoid robot using the same technologies. We effectively employ the Tesla full self-driving and autopilot, or more generally, real-world navigation AI in the humanoid robot to create some specialized actuators and sensors for the humanoid component. Musk stated that the humanoid robot would help with boring, repetitive, and dangerous jobs when the TeslaBot was introduced during Tesla AI Day in 2021. So how does Tesla plan to solve the labor shortage crisis? Although Tesla and its CEO have frequently been the focus of debate and criticism, some have asserted that the company was losing money on each car it sold and that it would never be able to produce those cars quickly enough or under the right conditions. Others claim that Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla, was insane and would bring the business to ruin. However, Tesla's figures began to show more promise. Tesla increased the price of its stock, and the business met its goals for production and distribution. The earnings report doesn't appear to be an exception either. It was also lucrative, and everything suggests that Tesla has found a reliable technique to create profits. The business is currently outselling BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Porsche. As a result, Tesla is the most successful American manufacturer of automobiles. In terms of technology, Tesla is also the most cutting-edge automobile on the market. The unexpected outcomes defied analysts' predictions and proved that only a few can understand the strategic vision of a company that's willing to take risks in order to change the world. Almost everyone had the wrong idea about Tesla's economics and prospects. Today, those analysts are racking their brains to figure out what transpired. Because of how advanced Tesla's technology is, other automakers employ it as well. Mercedes-Benz, Toyota, and Daimler all use Tesla powertrains and battery packs. To follow Tesla's next actions, General Motors even established a task force. It's difficult to even discuss the company's innovation, technology, and capabilities in the same breath as the competitors because they're so far ahead of them. Innovating new products and advancing technology have always been top priorities for Tesla. In order to be at the top of its game, it has entire teams devoted to research and development and makes regular investments. Well, how does this even relate? Tesla's bot project, however, has drawn criticism and doubt from a number of robotics and AI experts who point to the failure of robotics innovators like Boston Dynamics to commercialize their long-in-development technology. Elon Musk hopes to address the issue of a labor shortage by incorporating and improving the Tesla bot program, given the success that Tesla has had with its automotive technology. Tesla introduced the autopilot and fully self-driving features on its cars to help with boring tasks like driving, and the company's vehicles are typically referred to as robot on wheels. Watch our previous video on how Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving work for more details. Take a break now by liking the video and subscribing to this channel if you are enjoying the video so far and wish to be updated whenever we upload similar videos going forward. Let's get back to the video. Now back to the video. As with any skill, we improve by learning more, and the AI technology in these automobiles is no exception. Think about how labor-intensive driving-related jobs are, from truck drivers, Ubers, and taxis to delivery guys for packages. Tesla's automated driving features in their vehicles are already on course to solve the labor crisis in the sector. And obviously, Tesla won't be the only company offering the auto driving service, but Tesla has by far the most advanced industry standard technology and software for this feature. With the launch of the Tesla Bot program, the company is taking it to the next level by creating a humanoid-like robot and teaching it how to do basic human tasks. Pretty amazing, right? Many experts agree that one of AI's greatest benefits is its capacity to free humans from having to carry out boring, repetitive tasks that are part of their overall responsibilities, allowing them to concentrate on more challenging and fulfilling tasks or simply take some much-needed time off. There is, of course, always the concern that technology will eliminate the current workforce or jobs. So many people fear that job losses will result from automation. Well, there's no need to be afraid about an impending robot takeover of the workforce. People tend to greatly overestimate the extent to which robots are replacing humans in the workforce, and the rate at which they do so isn't as high as many think. Instead of taking jobs away from people, it's possible that machines will simply take over tasks that people no longer want to perform. There are no guarantees, as there are with anything. However, Tesla has developed from a startup to a respected player in the industry. It has an illustrious past and continues to set the pace in terms of technological development and the growth of artificial intelligence, so we're keeping our fingers crossed. In the next 5, 10, or however many years it takes for robots to catch up in capability and number, the current and upcoming generations of workers will have time to learn more sophisticated skills beyond what machines can do. Additionally, they could find more lucrative and interesting jobs with those skills. Well guys, that about does it for this video. So what are your thoughts on this so far? Let us know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to smash that thumbs up. We'll see you again in the next one, and until then, bye for now.